Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to Basic Programming in Season 3. So today we will discuss about variable and data type before what is variable and data type? If you wanna know, variable and data type always will be already and will be knowing and the programming example in Python. So before we discuss about variable and data type, I will introductions about Python. Exactly about Python again. Python is a strongly object-oriented programming language. This means that all variable in Python are object. Okay. Even so, of course, there are type of data type in Python that we must understand. So variable is in the Python is object, and data type is exactly already in the Python value. Okay, so what is a variable? Think of a variable as a basket. Okay, no, not basket as a sport, but basket. I mean basket like this. Okay, this is variable. This is variable and a place where we can put something in it. We can put anything here to the basket, namely the data. Okay, this data. So in Python we can put any data type into the basket. Okay, this is a basket or a variable here, and we can input the data like a data type might be an integer or something like not integer is a string or a boolean. Okay, without having to define the data type first. This is different from some other programming language which is require us to define the data type first. So in Python we not input the data input the type data and variable. For example, if we use C++ or any or something, we must type the variable, the data type here, integer, maybe value. Okay, this value is this is variable and it's data type. Now in Python, it's not use it, not use this. Okay, just value you can use in Python. Okay. Okay, how to make a variable? In short, creating variable in Python is very easy. So we just need to write the name of the variable following by the value we want. So consider the following sample script here. Okay, we have a name, Usia is the age, and was married as true. So we will start to open the Colab or Jupyter Notebook if you have. Okay, I will start with type the syntax here. So you guys can open the same again. You can use a Jupyter Notebook in your local host, or you can use the Colab Google, like the Colab Research Google. The first seasons I will always tell you guys you can write in the online here, okay, with the Colab Research Google. So just click new notebooks. Okay, this is for Colab Research Google. Okay, so if you have a Jupyter, you can use a Jupyter, or if you not have Jupyter, you can use the Colab Research. You can rename, for example, exercise 2. Okay. Okay, here we go. The first, we will make the variable. Okay, we'll wait. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I will make 2 here. Okay, the first we will make a variable here. So, like, you can use whatever you want. The variable, for example, name, and type your name here, and age, type your age here. Okay, and this is I will explain what is it. So you can type was married, was married, or married, whatever you want. Okay, might be true. Okay, so the first is the name. We have the value here. We have the value is the data type. Okay, this is variable and this is data type. Okay, the name is variable and the value, we have the value is data type string. Okay, because this is string. Okay, and the age we have the integer, and married we have the boolean. So about boolean we will discuss in the next slide. Okay, how to print this variable. So the first, okay, so you can add the commentary here. Commentary useful for you guys if you forget something, like you forget your syntax, or will for collaboration with your friends. It's very useful. So for example, this is variable. Okay, okay, this is variable, and this is for friend variable. Okay, yeah, we will print. If you not print, like use print, you cannot you will not have the output. Okay, for example, name, you can use name here. Okay, you can use name here. I will running. For example, I will running. You can use Control Enter. So the Colab Research Google is uh, need the internet connection. So exactly, your internet connection must be good for that. Okay. Okay. See, if I prename, we'll have the output, the value of variable name. Okay. Sapi Jena, my name. Okay. You can add some string. Maybe my name is. Okay. If you wanna like this, so you should be add the comma for and next the variable. This is string. This up to you. You wanna use or not. And this is a variable. Okay. So I will try again to enter. Okay, the output will be like this. Okay, see different? Yeah. So next we will add again my age. Okay, age. Okay, why age? Because I have a variable age. Okay, if this is not age, maybe like for my first for example my age. So in this you showed my age. Okay, this should be same thing. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so now we have the output of my age, 27. So next is print my okay, married. Okay, married is married. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have married. It's true. Now, because this variable is integer and the true is the boolean. Okay. Okay, until this, can you guys understand? So let's try with your name here. Okay, so the variable name rules. In general, we can create any variable name we want in Python. However, there are some rules and exceptions. Okay, here are the rules in simple terms. Variable name can only start with the letter or underscore. Okay, you can use underscore like underscore name. Okay, variable name cannot start with a number like one name. Okay, this will be error. Can you see this? Okay, this will be error. And variable name can only consist alphanumeric. Okay, so you cannot use like this. Name my. Okay, this can be worked. Can be worked. Problem names are sensitive. This means the variable name is different for name and name. Okay, name and name is different. Okay, so be careful for use variable name. Okay, let's see. For example, the following are correct variable like this. Okay. For space, you can use the underscore. Okay, like my age, like my name. Okay, you cannot use like this. You can use my underscore name. It's the correct one. Okay, assignment rules. Or rule or assign value for a variable in Python can be completed, multiple, or single. The single method to assign one value to one variable in a row, while the multiple method is the assign multiple value to multiple variable in one row. Okay, so let's for example here. Okay, I will create the variable a, b, c in the one row and equal the value in the one row too. For example, 1 2 1 2 and hello. Oops. Okay, okay, and string here. Let's see. I will print the a. Okay, I will print output a. Okay, I will copy this because this is something. I will copy and remove here. Array name here ABC. So let's print it. Okay, let's see if A will be have the value 1, B. Oops. Okay, I will I make mistake here. Okay, yeah, let's see. Output A is 1, output B is 2, output C is hello. Okay, this the multiple variable and the multiple value. You can use like this or like this, whatever you want to add something. Okay, so you can use again about like like this. D equal E, A equal F equal 10. Okay, we'll print okay, I will press here equal D. Okay, D, okay, E, F. Let's see. Okay, the print DEF is 10 is the same. If you have the more variable or with the same value, you can type like this. Okay. Okay, this is for assignment rules. You can use like variable and value like this. Okay, let's make new one here. Make new cell again. If you want to make a new cell, you can type shift and enter. Okay. So next, what uh what is data type? Okay, data, as the name implies, it is the data type of data. Every data has a value and every value has a type. There are data of type number, some are type letter or character, some are of type true or false, and so on. Okay, data type have the numbers or the letter or characters or true or false. It's like a boolean. Okay. For example, is the variable is a basket, and then the data type is type of the item or a type or object that we will put in the basket. Okay, like I said before. Okay, so next, how to checking data type in Python. Before we get into the example of basic data type in Python, we will learn how to check find out the data type of a variable. To do this, we can use Python built-in like type functions. Okay, for example, we have a variable, for example, quota, I mean a country, for example, Indonesia. Okay, and value, for example, 44. Okay, we want to know what is the data type of the country and the value. You can use the type function like this, type and use the country. Okay, print and type value. Okay, you wanna know type country and type value. Let's see. Okay, we will see like a class string and class integer. Okay, the country is class string and value is class integer. Okay, this is data type of Python. Okay, like I said before, name for this example. Okay, for next is numbers data type. Okay, numbers data type. The first is numeric data type. Numeric data type are all types that are numeric, can be added, can be subtracted, can be multiplied, can be divided, and so on. There are several numeric data types in Python, such as integer, float, complex. Okay, we have number data type. For the first is integer. What is integer? Integer data type is integer data type, so that every variable that has integer value, it will be categorized as an integer. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 10. Okay, this integer. So how about the float? Float almost the same as the integer data type. It just that the float data type is used for variable that have fractional or decimal value, like 2.6 or 3.9 and so on. Yeah, so what about complex? Well, the other numeric data type are complex data type, as the name implies. This is complex data type and represent is for imaginary value like 5G or 5K or 5A, like in maybe in algebra or linear algebra or like math. You can see the complex numbers. Okay, so we'll try with a numeric data type. After a brief introduction, the three numeric data type in Python, it's time to try each of them. Okay, so for example, I will use to how to calculate the area of the square. Okay, the long square. Okay, for you have variable, for example, long is 5 and width, yeah, width might be as 10.5 and area is long multiple width. I'm sorry, if I want to write the English language. Okay, for example, like this. So we just print, yeah, like this. Print yeah, print area for 5 long and width 10.5 width is, okay, can use like this. Yes, okay, what we call it, we just call the area. Okay, we just go with the result of long multiple width. Okay, for example, area here. So let's try. Okay, we have like this area for 5 long and 10 width is 52.5. Okay, this is for data type numeric. Okay, the first long, okay, we will see what the data type of long. Okay, just print type long. Okay, type long and print again type width and type area. Okay, let's see. Okay, so for long we have the data type integer, for width as float, and area we have float again. Okay, let's see. Okay, this example for numeric data type. You can try with your own uh, value. Maybe you can change with 6, or you can change with 12 and anything. Okay, so just enter. We have different value here. Okay, so I mean, like for t will, okay, if you wanna dynamic like this, you can use the area for longs. Okay, maybe like this long. Okay, this is for example the others. Okay, this numeric data, for numeric data, like let's see, for A equal 5G, B equal 10Z, and C is equal A plus B. Let's print, just print C here. Okay, the complex number will already we can multiple or plus or divide or anything or something else. Sorry. Okay, next is string text data type. Next we will discuss about string. Okay, data type string must be enclosed in quotation marks and a single quotes and double quotes. Please consider the following code here. Okay, like this. For example, is I will make it again like example first name. Oh, okay. I forgot the string. I forget the string and the last name is maybe Amsa. Okay, I wanna full name. Okay, full name for the first name. Okay, first name plus. Okay, plus we want a space and last name. Okay, so I will print the full name here. Full name. Oops, I got something wrong here. Full name. Okay. Okay. Here I will I wrong type and a typo here. So be first. Okay. Okay, we got it. So the first we have the first name and the last name is what. How about we not use here? We not use like this. We not use the plus and the string. So what else? Okay, we just have like this chain and okay, it's different, right? Okay, so we should be add the string and plus for add the data. Okay, 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 this is the type for the string. So and this is differences of numeric and data string data type. The difference lies in the function and how to operate it. Okay, for example like this, I will make the next. Okay, this is suppose we want to add the variable of numeric data. We want to get it the sum. Okay, for example, if we print 5 plus 5, okay, it will be 10. Okay, it will be it's the sum of the 5 and plus 5. Okay, if we print string, for example string 5 and plus string 5, what is the output? Let's see. The output is 5 5. Why 5 is plus 5? Why 3 5 5? It's because its difference is if we want add to variable of type string data or text, what we get is the result of combining the data. Okay, combining 5 and 5 is the will be the 5 5. Is the difference numbers and string for the how to operate it. Okay, let's see how this different like I said before. So next is Boolean data type. Okay, the Boolean data type is the simplest and easiest data type. However, this is very important even for building large-scale program or applications. the Boolean data type has only two values, namely true or false. Okay. Value true for statement the value is true, and false to represent that the value to false. Okay, so Boolean data is for conditions or like if else or something else. This will be application for that. Okay, this is for example. I would if I would I okay, for example, human is true, robots is false. Okay, is false. I will print like am I human? Yeah. Will add human because I'm human is true. If print am I robot, we can use robot. Okay, because this robot is false. Okay, let's see. Okay. Am I a human is true, am I a robot is false. So this is an example for the booleans, and boolean can for represent of the operations of logic math operator logic like and or something else. Okay, you wanna learn for the next lessons, I think. Okay, for examples I will make again um I will make again like print 12. Okay, 12 greater than 5 is true or false. Okay, let's see. It's false. If I write like this, true or false? It's false. Okay, this is something I use like this. This will be true. Okay, so the boolean data will can see the effort like this or print like this. Okay, we can use like this again. Print a equal. Okay, so for equal is will to equal for the syntax of the Python. Okay, for example, a string a and string a uppercase and lowercase is the same. We'll see. Okay, a not not same with a lowercase is false. Okay, so that's all guys for knowing a variable and data type. You can writing your code here. I will share to you guys for this presentation video, and for the next classing, see you next class.